Okay, going to Mexico. See you later.
If I hear a sonic boom, you're in trouble.
Oh, what's up, guys? I'm on a brand new winter edition ZX10. I don't remember the year. Some little bros buying it, so I get to test ride this on bitch. And you better believe I'm taking it on the long test drive. Oh, my eye, I got some shit in it already. So this thing's obviously a beast. Seating position's pretty nice on it, but it's the winter edition, so it's got the old snowflake on it. Do like 105 in first gear. Doesn't feel super nimble. It's kind of heavy. It's got a heavy feel to it. I mean, it's not bad by any means, but it's got them race slicks on it. Fucking, I think it's track ready. Honestly, I don't remember. I'm not the sales guy. All I know is I gotta be real fucking careful because it's the only one we got in the store. Real careful. Easy does it. There we go. Yeah, this is a lot of bike. It definitely just wants to fucking go. It's like all the newer Kawasaki's where there's like, it's hard to find that like low fucking, I don't know, it's like the what am I trying to say? Help me! The throttle is either on or off. It's really hard to find that middle ground.
No. Slow it down. God.
Oh crap.
It's very, it's aggressive feel, like really aggressive. I mean, you can't complain, it's a fucking race bike. Fucking jet missile. The guy was, he came back to check it out and he started it and he saw that it was 1 mile and he got all excited. I'm like, bah, I'm gonna put like 5 miles on this thing. First son bitch to ride it, that's me. I christen thy ninja fast as fuck. Sounds pretty good. Sounds real good. Watch for motorcycles, boy. I gotta wear my DOT approved riding jacket, which is neon as fuck. Or if I crash, the insurance won't cover me. But check out my mechanic gloves. I'm wearing fucking basic bitch mechanic gloves on this lovely ZX10. Don't slip. Oh god, don't slip. Oh, there we go. This is a hell of a bike, actually. I really like this thing. Jesus Christ. Yeah, really tickles you right in the pussy, eh? Man, this thing's been sitting in the showroom since I started. It's kind of weird to see it go to a younger kid, honestly. Actually, no, that makes perfect sense. No old guy's gonna get this fucking back-wrenching missile. Do sonic speeds of a bajillion miles an hour. I think I'm in F. What the fuck is F mode? Power F. I think that's free. I'm in the free mode. Surprised the front end hasn't come up. I'm glad it hasn't, obviously, because I don't own this bike, but you know, if it did, and nobody found out, I'd probably still get to do this. I just love the fact that I'm getting paid to ride somebody else's ZX10 for the very first time. Kind of a cool job, eh? I don't really know what else to say about it. I mean, I know you can't see the graphics. Have a little snowflake down there, it's very cool. She's definitely a pretty bike. Yeah, don't fuck fucking hit me. This thing is expensive. Wow! Very cool. What's up, little bro? Yeah, she's a little weak at low RPMs. I mean, that's obvious. It's a 1000, but super clean. It's like super rigid. It's got a nice steering dampener. It's not super flickable, honestly. She runs kind of hot though. 201. Can't tell if the fan's on. Nice gear indicator, trip meters, all the fancy road stuff that anyone could want. Sad that I couldn't even get it out of second gear though. Damn, this thing would be really crazy. A very nice bike. Oh, I like it. I give it a 4 out of 4 paws. Definitely buy it if you want it. Do it. You only live once. And if this is the thing that ends up killing you, at least you'll die with a fat fucking smile. Riding this missile. Whoa. The sad thing is that it's limited at 188. All leader bike, well, any bike is speed limited to 188 miles an hour. You go out and buy yourself a fucking ZX14 or a Busa, don't spend the money. You can get a ZX10 and go the same speed if you're trying to go fast. Unless you're a badass and you bypass that little safety feature. Different ways to do it on all different sorts of vehicles. Don't ask me. Very stable, fun bike. Bye. Bye, guys.
Nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now, the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut.